Under the joint aegis of National Human Rights Commission and Northeastern University, a two-day seminar of National Human Rights Commission started in the conference room of NEHU. The theme of the conference is Diverse Perspectives of Human Rights in Literature and Society. Member of the National Human Rights Commission, Dr. Dhyaneshwar Moole, in his address highlighted various aspects of human rights perspective present in Indian literature and society. He said all the traditions in India and saint sages propagating such tradition espoused the principles of oneness of human being, advocated abolition of inequality, untouchability and exploitation.
भाषाओं का अधिकार अपने आप में सबसे बड़ा अधिकार। महात्मा गांधी कहते थे कि a person who does not have his language does not have tongue. जिसकी भाषा नहीं है अपनी, उसकी जो है जिह्वाई नहीं।
Protest rallies were held in two villages